On this problem, you're at the $182.35, and something happens to it to get negative $41.40. So in other words, we're going to do 182.35, and something's going to happen to get to negative $41.40. Well, it looks definitely like it's going to go down, so I would think that it's definitely going to be subtraction. Now, if you think about this on a number line, if you are at 182.35 and you're going to get to negative 41.40, we're going to go past 0 here, so we're definitely subtracting 182.35, and then you're subtracting 41.40 more. So we need to figure out how much total you're subtracting. We will add together the 41.40 and the 182.35. And when you do that, you end up with $223.75. But remember, you're subtracting that. So the transaction is a minus $223.75.